So I said I'm not a makeup person, but it's not like I can't make up and all that. So I have already, as you can see, I've done a little bit of my eyebrow, just a little bit for this video. And if it's something you're interested, lighting and how to do this, yeah, lighting. So if you're interested in lighting and how to do a quick setup and how to find the right place to do your video as a beginner like myself, then stay tuned. See you. Hey guys, so basically if you're here, it's simply because you want to get tips on how I have been able to get this bright looking video, at least at this level as a beginner, and you just want to get the tips. So stay right. So the first thing to do is use what you have, really use what's around you. To tell you, I am recording with my phone, yeah, not a camera. I do have a camera, but well, now one of the rooms is quite bright, but not as bright as I would like. I mean, not this clear. And then when I tried my living room by the window, it was okay. So use what you have to kick off, let nothing hold you back. So now I looked around me. What I did was to go around my house. I have a three bedroom house, so I just went around. So my living room was not very clear. Okay, I didn't like the quality, and it was not just what I wanted. Actually, this is also not what I want, but it's far better than. I love things to be done excellent, but in this today, you know, there's maybe you're on a low budget and all that, so just get it going, and that's for me. So my living room didn't work. Now I found. Now if you have it in mind, get going with whatever budget you have and things around you. That's the first thing, and then you upgrade. Yeah, you upgrade as time goes on. There's no harm in upgrading or getting your video better. I have always known that in my whole house, the bathroom gives me the best lighting. I don't have to do extra. Okay, I'm gonna show you this. So let's experiment together. So you see the light in my bathroom is just up here, it's on. Now I'm gonna switch it off so you can see. Can you see the light is still not bad because the window. So now the window the window is open, like I opened the blinds, so there is reflection of light coming in. So you can actually video without that light, but how light can change everything, honestly, is quite important. So I'm gonna switch on the light back. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so lighting is very important, but I'm gonna tell you next. Okay, if you're enjoying this video thus far, please subscribe. Yeah, you're gonna help this channel grow. We're gonna grow it together, so please subscribe. That would be great. Okay, subscribe, put on the notification for when I put on. Now the next thing I want to say about lighting. Okay, I have so far said something about the position of the light is very important, and you can work with natural lights plus additional light. So the position of the light in your house or where you decide to shoot your video is very important, you know, so you're gonna be watching out for the light and make sure that the light is, you know, doing what you want it to do. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so just feel free, you know, go around your house with your camera on, and then find where works for you. Right now for me, I'm gonna be shooting most of my videos right here in my bathroom. So since my bathroom works for me, what I'm gonna be doing is to start adding some, you know, stuffs at the background, you know, just to get it looking more better. If you look, say I have my hand towel over here, But what does my hand tool have to do with the background when I was talking? I'm sorry guys, I think I just got off. But I'm gonna be putting a little bit of touch at the background, you know, just to, you know, give you more. Yeah, so that's what I mean by, you know, I'm gonna put some stuffs at the background, and that's what I mean like you upgrade slowly. I'm not ready to put things at the background. I'm quite fine with this plain background, but I'm gonna be adding slowly to it. Yeah, I will. Oh my god, see, I'm in the bathroom and I think my toilet kind of just flushed itself. Okay, so I'm gonna be adding now some stuffs at the background just to bring more life to my videos. When you're recording actually, you know, with natural light, it could just disappoint you. So for that reason, one of the things I wanted to get was extra light apart from the light bulb that I already have. So I have a ring light which I highly regret because it's not the type, but let's have an experiment together. So I'm going to switch on the ring light now for you to, you know, compare. So take a look at this and let's get this on. See, so yeah, it just brightens up everywhere. I'm not going to switch it off again. See, that's the ring light, and it's a really small one. Yeah, so it's a really small one that I bought, and I highly regret that I bought a small one, but it's got different molds in it. Yeah, it says model, so I'm just gonna try the different modes. See, this is like bluish or fluorescent. Yeah, so this is more like blue kind of. I'm gonna change to another mode, and this is like fluorescent. I don't see the difference really. Do you guys? Put your comment down. I don't see any difference though. Oh, but I just see that it brightens a little. I have been using this ring light for a while. I just never used it up and down. So let me start again and let's see. So switch on, yeah, and then up. Any difference? Nah. So I really don't see any difference at all, you know, like I don't see any difference. But oh, it's on. Hey god, I'm so confused with this ring light. Yeah. Okay, so let's try another mode. Okay, and then up. Hey, god have mercy, I don't think this thing is working. I really don't think, because I can't see. Okay, let me try this. No, it's not. We are having this experiment together and it is not working, and I am like I said, I regret buying the ring light. So okay, we are having it together and we're watching it together. Let's see. Okay, so the ring light is on. I found out that the down works but the up has a limit. So let's see. Up. That's the up I've been trying to do. Okay, up, down, up, down, up. Sorry guys, yeah, sorry guys. Okay, enough of this ring light experiment. Okay, so we're still on the light shopping, and from my experience and experiment which I believe we're having together, because in this channel I want us to experiment things together, you know, things that I can't experiment, the ones I cannot just tell you. In this, like I'm saying, you know, what I don't have experiment for, I'm just gonna tell you. But what I can experiment, I will experiment it together. So it's gonna be fun. We wanna have fun here, okay? So next is this. Yeah, so this, but before I go to this, you know, in my last video I told you about a story about a lady. You need to watch my last video to see that. About, you know, learning how to be a mom. You can watch that video later. Did you see? Just watch out for this. Did you see? Oh my god, do you see that? Okay, do you see? Oh, this is another one, guys. This video is even getting more interesting. Yeah, look at that. See, I am happy we're learning together. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Even when I put it like this, that's why you see all this photo shoot, you're gonna be putting things under the face. I know. Look, see? Hey, enough of that, because I don't want you leaving our channel. I don't want you getting bored. So I'm gonna show you. This is how the ring light came. It came in this pack. Look at that. Yeah, came in this pack. It says yeah, so it came in this, you know, pack. Amazon beauty life ring light, you know, just like this in the Amazon pack or something like that. And yeah, okay, now here's the thing for you to learn. Actually, everyone is gonna be like, oh, come on, common sense will tell you that is when you're trying to get a ring light, which I do not advise to be the first light you would get. So I literally want to say, do not buy ring light as one of the lights that you want to get as a beginner. Let the ring light not be the first light that you're going to get. The money you're going to use to buy ring light, you can invest. Sure, yeah, you can invest the money in a better lighting system like the light bulb, LED light bulb, or light box, light box, or the umbrella kind of light. You know, if you look on my screen right now, I'm going to put up, you know, different lights that you can get other than the ring light. I mean, you can get a ring light if you really want later, but it shouldn't be the first light you invest in as a beginner. That's now, this is solely my experience, my take, and what I think. You can go ahead and do whatever you want. I'm not telling you what to get, please. I am absolutely not telling you, but I wish I knew about, you know, not getting the ring light. I mean, if I knew that the same amount of money that I'll be spending on the ring light could actually get me the box light and the other kind of lights, I would go for them, because those ones come in too and they're brighter and they do more work than the ring light. That is, I learned the hard way, and I'm sure everyone want to learn from somebody else's experience. You don't want to have the experience yourself and be regretting like, I am regretting. Yeah, I am regretting. So, next tip, if you decide to get the ring light anyway, if you decide to be doubting Thomas, you want to have the experience yourself. Okay, so the tip if you want to get a ring light is look out for the sizes. So by all means, if you want to get ring light for any reason, maybe you have other lights and you still need a ring light. Now, one tip is to look out for the size. This one I got really, why I regret is that it's size 8. Yeah, so it's size 8. It says size 8. Oh, I don't think you can see it. Anyway, it says 8-inch ring light. You should be getting the one that is, you know, wider, because then it will bring out. So please, by all means, if you want to buy the ring light, kindly go for the one with the wider size, you know, maybe 14. I think maybe 14 is gonna be fine, and 16 or even 18, or if they have 20 some, I don't know. So now if you combine the ring light or your lighting system and the natural sunlight, you will get a really clean, clear video, and which you can do with very low budget. So by all means, if you feel like you want to start the YouTube video, just go ahead. Or if you feel like you're a content creator and you have something that you want everyone to see, just go ahead. Don't wait until you have all the money together. That's what I'm trying to say. So I am just here trying to encourage someone to go ahead and, you know, live the life they want to live. You know, I love photography, I love video creation, but I love photography more than video creation, and I could be yeah, so I love video photography, but I love photography first. Yeah, I said that before. Okay, my point is just that's number one. I'm repeating myself now. Okay, I was going to end this video, but don't wait until you get a camera. Really, you can work with your phone like I am working with my phone right now. But I'm going to show you something. Like I said, I have a camera. Look at this. I have a Canon camera. Yeah, so did you see my Canon camera? Yeah, see, this is my Canon camera. Can you see that I'm making this video with my phone? See my hands? See, look at that. I'm just discovering this. So all I'm about is telling you that you can do it, and I'm not telling you what I am not practicing. I'm not telling you what I am not experimenting. See that? Can you see? Oh, it's possible. So what I'm saying, don't wait until you get a camera. See, this is a beautiful camera. But guess what? It's a video for another day, because I'm gonna be hoping that I can get this. This camera is faulty. Like I got this camera for almost $800 and 800 euro because I bought it in Amsterdam, and it just died on me. It never fell, nothing ever happened because I cherish my. So that was only the camera, either 800 or 1,200 when I bought that camera really in Amsterdam. It was that expensive. And look, I went ahead to get this extra lens as well, you know. I am that was me, you know, quite crazy about photography and video shooting. And on my first degree from London, Cambridge, is media, so I love everything about photography. But because I had my first degree in everything about media, you know, some of my minor courses were photography, animation. I make cartoons, but I'm too lazy for all that. And then I also got this flash, you know, this is about 250. So you see, I have first-hand experience and even courses to back what I'm saying. But I'm simply saying, in today's world, don't just wait to get a camera. Look at me, I got a camera that doesn't work now. I'm using my phone. Yeah, to imagine that I bought a flash for about $250 or about 300 something somewhere. I don't know how much it is now because I'm not shopping. I don't have that kind of money to spend now. I am on a low budget. Yeah. Yeah, I'm on a low budget because right now there's so many techs out there, so many competitions. So when you're shopping, open your eyes and shop, and don't be in a hurry, and don't let what you feel you need hold you back. Just go ahead and, you know, start out. One more thing I want to say is, if you look at my previous videos, you see I'm not really sometimes I just don't want to make up. Like today I didn't feel like doing the lashes so that it to be more glamorous, you know. It just depends. I just let myself go. I want to be free. So yeah, I want to be free. I am real, you know, I'm natural. When I feel like it, I can just, you know, glamorize, but it's advisable to glamorize for your fans or friends out, YouTube fans. But I would advise that, you know, just put some glamour sometimes, but I want to be real. And most times I'm tired. Remember, I'm a mom, you know, mom of 2 great kids, so it's a lot done, and I want to make my YouTube work. So guys, I'm gonna end it here today. I hope I'm gonna be seeing lots of you next time. Put up your notification and subscribe, like, comment. If there's something you want me to talk about or make a video on, I will. Love you guys.